Hey Shower, how you feeling today?
I'm a little rough, to be honest with you.
Yeah, you really tied one on last night.
Yeah, sure did. Sorry about that. Hope I didn't keep you up.
No, you're all good. It was a lot of fun. I don't know if you remember, but I stopped in and said hi.
Oh yeah, I remember. That was probably when I had the lampshade on my head, huh?
Yeah, you did.
Sorry about that, mate. Rough night. Oh, man. Oh, rough morning.